Music is the way is the motto at Musway Audio, and TPD HiFi is proud to be an authorized retailer for this incredible brand. At TPD HiFi, we exclusively partner with brands that share our passion for design and sound quality. At tpdhifi.com, you'll find the complete line of Musway products, including world-class amplifiers, speakers, subwoofers, and signal processors. We also offer technical support and technical content to help you maximize the performance of your audio system and experience Musway products the way they were meant to be enjoyed. While many audio brands simply follow what other manufacturers are doing, Musway paves a new path with products that truly solve problems encountered when upgrading your vehicle's audio system. The SWA7 is the most impressive compact powered subwoofer that we've encountered. This powerful little sub has a built-in 300-watt amplifier, yet fits in locations that other products simply can't. Powerful multi-channel amplifiers with a flexible integrated DSP, such as the M6 Pro, that can run your entire audio system. The small but mighty P2 microamp solves the problem of where to mount an amplifier in tight spaces, and it's about the size of a cell phone. For the audio enthusiast looking for a bit more, Musway offers powerful subwoofer amplifiers like the ONE.2000 that boast a whopping 2,000 watts into a single mono channel to power your subwoofer. To convert all of that power to sound waves, the German-made MG line of subwoofers provides the hard-hitting bass with sonic perfection. All of these Musway products and more are available on tpdhifi.com. If you have any questions or need help designing an audio system for your ride, call, email, or text us for more information.